Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to learn everything about Python packages. Let's begin with what a Python package is. A Python package is just a collection of Python modules grouped together inside a folder. And that folder contains a special file, _init_.py, which tells Python this folder should be treated like a package. Let's understand Python packages with a real-world example. Imagine you are building a large software project, like an e-commerce website. You might have one module for user authentication, another module for payments, a separate one for products, and maybe a utility module for helper functions. Now, instead of dumping all of these modules into a single messy folder, you can group them logically using packages. For example, let me explain a complete packaging structure for e-commerce website. Assume that main folder called e-commerce_project. This is where all our code will live. Inside it, we will create separate folders for each main feature of the site. First, we create a folder called auth. This package will handle user authentication, logging in, registering, and so on. Inside this auth folder, we must create a file named init.py to mark it as a package. We also add two modules, one called login.py for login logic and one called register.py for new user registration. Next, we create another folder called billing. This will handle everything related to payments. Inside it, we again add an init.py file. Then we create a module called payments.py to integrate with payment gateways, and another module called invoices.py to generate customer invoices. The next package is products, to manage all items we sell on the site. Inside we add the init.py file. Then we create a module called catalog.py for listing products and a module called inventory.py to track stock levels. Finally, we create a utils package, short for utilities. This will contain helper code used across the project. Again, we add the init.py file. Inside this folder, we create a validators.py module for checking if data is valid, and a formatters.py module for formatting text, dates, or numbers. In the main project folder, we create a file called main.py. This is the entry point of our program. It can import functions or classes from the packages we just created and connect everything together. For example, it might import the login function from the auth package, a payment function from the billing package, and product details from the products package, and make the whole application work. So a package is like a folder on your computer, but with one extra thing, a file called init.py, which makes it a Python package. And this brings us to a key point. A module is a single Python file, but a package is a collection of modules. That's the basic difference. Why do we use packages? That's a great question. We use packages to keep our code organized, modular, and maintainable. As your project grows, you don't want to scroll through hundreds of files in a single directory. That's a nightmare. Packages allow you to break your code into logical sections, and that makes collaboration easier too. Now here's something very cool. Packages can also contain sub-packages. That means a package inside another package. Let's go back to our e-commerce example. Suppose you have a package named payments. Inside that, you could have two sub-packages, one for online payments and another for code. Each of them can have their own modules. This hierarchy gives you total control over how your code is structured. It's like building blocks, packages inside modules.